Hey guys, we are here at the Mecum collection, Mecum auction in Kissimmee. It's 2025. It's a freezing cold day down here in Florida, but we've already shown you a couple cars. We're going to go in and bid on some stuff. We've got our bidder number right there. So let's go and check out some of the cars that are here with no reserve. So check out this Pontiac Trans Am, 78 Pontiac Trans Am. 1,700 miles on it, a 400 cubic inch automatic car, gold outside, gold inside, screaming chicken on the hood, and no reserve. Only 1,700 miles for this car. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. It's almost like new. Look inside here. It's an automatic. It's got like the velour seats in it, power windows, gold on gold on gold. Honeycomb wheels. Shaker hood scoop, 6.6 liter. That's about as good as you get with a Trans Am of that year. Walk down here. Take a look at this one. This is a Ferrari, but it's gray. 77 Ferrari 308 GTB. And it's got the 2.9 liter V8 gated 5-speed, but it's gray with red interior. No cup holder. Ferraris didn't have a cup holder. And it's got a little wear and tear on the seats. Red and black interior. It's a pretty car. 308 GTB. Here's a McLaren, silver and black McLaren. Black interior. This is a 2012 McLaren MP1301C. It's got the 3.8 592 horsepower V8 with 16,000 miles on it. So if you want a nice McLaren, no reserve on this one. Beautiful car. There's 4,000 cars here. We won't be able to get to all of them. So we may just walk by some, but like this 58 Chevy custom pickup truck, 5.3 liter, 400 horsepower V8. Beautiful, beautiful truck. I love the bullnose trucks. There are Mercedes in here. There are Rolls Royces in here. There are Lincoln, I believe this is a Mark 1. And then here we have a tri-power GTO. Black with red. Black roof. Is that red? Actually, I don't think that's black. Is that black or is that red? Well, I think it's black, but it has a tint of red to it. Let's see. No, it's black. 64 Pontiac GTO convertible with the 389 tri-power. This is from the Double G collection as well. A lot of cars. You're going to see a lot of different collections, a lot of different cars. So 54 Buick Skylark convertible, one of 836 produced with the 322 cubic inch Fireball V8 from the Double G collection as well. 54 Buick Skylark convertible. Look at that baby blue interior, two-tone, blue exterior. Look at all that chrome. That is just insane. There is more chrome on this car than there is in every single Toyota that got pictured or got produced last year. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. Nice Cadillac Seville there. 57 Cadillac Eldorado Seville hardtop, one of 2,100 produced. 1955 Chevy Bel Air convertible, 265 cubic inch. Orange and a creamy white, so it's the creamsicle colors. Beautiful, beautiful car. And another of the Tri-5 Bel Airs right next to it. The classic teal and white Bel Air. 56 Chevy Bel Air convertible, 265 cubic inch V8, automatic. Again, double G collection. We go up here and we can see this beautiful 1970 Plymouth AAR Barracuda. Check out this Barracuda, folks. Gorgeous car. Gorgeous car. No reserve on this thing. You can see underneath it. Black interior. It's got the 6-pack. AAR fiberglass hood. Very, very cool car. And of course, my favorite, my first car, 70 Chevelles. So this is a 70 Chevelle SS. No, this is not my first car. 70 Chevelle was my first car. But that was back when they were $1,500. So this is a 454 cubic inch automatic, 75,000, 1970 Chevelle. It says it's a real Chevelle SS. Black interior. It's got an 8 shifter in there. I call it an 8 shifter. I don't know what they call it, but it's automatic 8 shifter with 120 mile/hour speedometer. Beautiful car. Even comes with a mini car for the mini me in your life. All black. A beautiful, beautiful car. Nice Bonneville. We've got a 68 Shelby GT 500 KR convertible. It's Shelby number 02315. It was a rotisserie restoration, rare color combination. Beautiful car, 428 Cobra Jet. 23,000 miles, Wimbledon white with a saddle interior. Wimbledon white with a saddle interior, automatic car. It is a restoration, but a gorgeous, gorgeous car. This is the Brett Sargent collection. So these are Brett Sargent collection cars right here. Here's a Ford GT, 2005 Ford GT, supercharged 5.4 liter V8, 6-speed. All 4 of the options that were available are on this car. And it's got 8,824 miles, no reserve. It is absolutely stunning. In rally red. Beautiful car. Another GT500, Shelby GT500. Black interior, red exterior, white stripes. 1967 Shelby GT500 Fastback. This is Shelby number 01955, 428 cubic inch Police Interceptor V8, 4-speed. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're going to take a look at a couple more cars here. While I think we have covered every Plymouth Superbird that has been made on our channel, let's check this one out. This is Richard Petty's 1970 Plymouth Superbird. This belonged to the king, Richard Petty. This is his Superbird, owned by Richard Petty, 440 cubic inch V8 automatic. This is his actual car. 70 Plymouth Superbird hardtop, owned by Richard Petty. 28,000 miles. Has the King's special seat covers on there. Well, they're not seat covers. It's not a seat cover, it's the seats. And this is a Plymouth from Petty. So this is Richard Petty's actual Superbird. Signed right there, Richard Petty. There you go, guys. How cool is that? How cool is that?